Hey everybody, it's Tim, and you're here at Stock Picks by Tim. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to get into Astra or ASTR, and I'm also going to touch on Matterport MTTR. We're going to look over a few articles, I'm going to give you a few key points, and we're also going to look at the price action on the chart. Now make sure you like and subscribe. I put out daily videos, and make sure you check out the links below for some free crypto and stocks. And make sure you stay tuned to their earnings. It is coming out the day of this upload. And also check out their telecom conference. You want to click on the fireside chat here just for the Astra portion. I believe this is the whole thing. But click on this down here and you get about a 40-minute video with the CEO, Chris Kemp, talking about Astra. Definitely recommend you check it out. And let's get into it. First off, we're going to get into Matterport, and I just wanted to touch on this article, then we're going to look over the technicals. So we have news that Matterport received an award for the best company outlook and best place to work in the San Francisco Bay Area. And now these rankings are actually derived from sentiment ratings provided by current employees about how confident they feel about the future success of their company, how likely they are to recommend working at their company to a friend, and whether they're typically excited about going to work each day. And these ratings were compiled and giving a numerical score, and then compared to companies similar in size to Matterport. And the final data set was compiled from 15 million ratings across 70,000 North American organizations. Now here's something I didn't know. In February 2020, Matterport transitioned to a fully remote working model that empowers employees to work from anywhere. The new approach has expanded the company's talent pool, opening the door to strategic global hires that transcend geographical constraints, meaning you don't have to live in San Francisco Bay Area where Matterport's located to actually be working at Matterport. So if you guys don't see me again, I'm likely working in Matterport. Now me personally, I think Matterport's a fantastic deal while it's under 10, a gift, a steal, and looking at it while it's under 15, I think it's still worthy of a long-term average through, if you are long-term on it. Now zooming into the chart and looking up here at the right-hand side, you'll see that we broke the 200 EMA, but it was rejected, came back down, and I think some of this little bit of a run-up was due to Cathie Wood. We had about a 15% or so day, and then the next day it came down. Today it's down a bit. Now this may be the final time, but I did add some Matterport to my position because I figured while it's under 10, I'll take this opportunity. I like where it's at market cap wise. We are sitting only a hair over $2 billion. But if you want to be short term with Matterport, look for us to break the 300 MA and then ride that momentum to the upside, set a stop loss, and just make that swing trade. If you're long term, you know what to do. It's a great deal in my opinion at this price. And if I wasn't so built out, I would be continuing to average through. But this may be the last time I add to Matterport. However, if we come back to the previous low, I might consider adding some more, but I'm just going to let this run its course. I'm pretty built out in it. I don't want to be overextended. Got to have some discipline.
And so, as you mentioned, some of our targets, that there's a weekly target and there's a daily target. And our target is to be able to produce a rocket a day from the existing facility. And that will dramatically reduce the unit economics of the rocket. And we have hundreds of different engineering efforts are constantly underway to bring cost out so we can provide a better value to our customers.
And have you disclosed the target capacity?
I don't think we have, so I won't do that here, but I understand and appreciate the question.
And then
it will be very competitive.
And when do you anticipate it may fly?
We are working towards the first test flights of the 4.0 rocket this year.
Okay.
That's always been the plan.
Yep.
Now that was just a short portion of the 40-minute clip that I was talking about earlier. And the CEO did say that their fourth version of the rocket is set to launch towards the end of the year. Definitely a lot of information in that video. I highly recommend you check it out, and I will leave you guys a link below if you want to check it out. Now looking at ASTR or Astra on the chart, you'll see that we're having trouble breaking this 300 MA. Now keep a close eye on this one, keep this indicator up, and once we break past that 300, I'd expect this to have that reversal and start trending around. It's not always that simple, but just something to look out for. But it does appear that we're trying to hold this $4 area as a support. But if this $4 area breaks, we will likely test some lower levels. Although I think the bottom here is priced in at about 281. I don't think we're going to see that again. Anything can happen, but I'd bet money that we're not going to see that again. That's basically it for you guys. Just a quick update on MTTR, Matterport, and ASTR, Astra. Let me know in the comments below what stocks and crypto you guys are watching. And until next time, take it easy. you.